have seen that how to generate the data, means how to collect the data, and there are three different sites also, like Kaggle. From here you can collect the data sets, and there are much more websites, 2 3 websites. I will tell you later, okay? So after generating the data or collecting the data sets, yeah, so now we are shifting to implement that data set and build a model. Means usually we will training a we will doing we will train our model, so it will predict the output, and we will check how correct it is predicting or how wrong it is predicting. Okay, for that we are importing these two libraries from sklearn, uh, assemble import random forest classifier. Okay, and now here we are our reading our excel file. So data is equal to means our excel file will store in data, and we are printing that head one. You know, head means it will print 5, but we are giving 1, so it will giving only one column. And in python it's in python in numpy, in pandas, you you know why what is iloc. Iloc means it will help us to find, it will help us to find some columns in the data. It's basically I will give you example, then you will get a very perfect why it help. So iRef means it used to select specific rows and columns basically. So first here rows, and this one columns. So iloc means this means all. I am telling all column, take all rows. Okay, and this one means again all, but minus one means except last one. Okay, so it will take all rows and all columns except last column. So this is our full data, like sp- se- uh, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal with flower, like that. But we don't know, we don't want classes, so we have removed classes by using this one, and we are printing x. Okay, and here same. Now I want that separate x1, so I am printing all rows and not all columns, only the last column. So that's why I written -1. So it will print that last column. And now we are training our model with random forest classifier functions. It is inbuilt functions. So defining this function to a model. Model means it's variable. You can take any name. Now we are model.fit. Model.fit, what it will do, it will take that data what we have given. We have given no x is equal to this one and y is equal to this one. Here x and y. Why we are using x dot values? X dot values, why we are using means, if we use only x and y it will work, but it will give a little bit warning. So that's why we are not using this. So I will show it once. X, y. Sure. See, this warning it will give, and then also giving that output. Not like that is not, it will not give that output. By using x dot values and x dot variables, it will not give that warning. Okay, and here this is a variable, you can name anything. Model, we have stored the random forest into model now. So model dot predict means it will give the output. Okay, now this is a data, we have a data set. I will show it once. Not here. So Yeah, these are the data sets. Okay, in that I have given these three values, these four values, and it will predict this fifth value. Okay, so here I have given that for 1 2 3 4 value it will predict this one, and it is right only. I have checked that. Okay, now so in this way you can generate or you can do build a model. And if you want to cross check, we have divided this data into two parts. Okay, one is iris test and one is iris train. We have given that test one to that model, and train one we didn't give that. So now we are giving train one, and we are as a we are we want that output. Okay, we are not giving that whole data. Like here I will show you, data set is equal to, data set means it's a variable dot read dot xl, iris test dot xlsv. Okay, and here x is equal to log whole row whole column minus 1, means every like this, everything without the last one. We are giving this whole data together. And here what we are doing is we are giving a data manually one by one, but here we are giving this whole data together, so it will give that whole output together. Okay, so we are again printing that predictions, it will giving the whole data. So this is our basic means it a basic model. In that you can build anything, you can give your you can do the plot sales analyze, means in that example you can give that how much area was that land, how much cost, and what is the means how far it is from cities, like that some data you will give. And after that you will ask the answer, so it will give that price ki, yeah, this land is this much, this land is this much, like that you will get. So I hope you understand this, and thank you for listening me.